Hello and welcome to Ahorn, Mülheim, Ruhr in Germany. This is an Ahorn main dealer and this is an Ahorn van 620, and what this is 620 centimeters long. It's got lengthwise beds at the back, a rather attractive kitchen, and for its size a relatively good washroom. For its size, note the words. Now, so come to the back to kick off with. You've got these really long beds, and you can even make it even bigger by the addition of this board and a mattress piece which will be lying around somewhere. So that would make in the back an exceptionally large bed. In fact, it's so large I can't get it all in one shot. I'm doing my best here, but I can't get it all in. But it would be an exceptionally large bed. So this is the start bit of this vehicle. We can of course put these, this will go up like that, and below it we would then have a lot of storage down here. You see you've got this buckle there which will fit into that bit there and give us even more space. Above here we've got the storage compartments, quite deep. We've got this storage compartment here, could do with a cover if anybody from Ahorn is actually listening to this or watching it. Storage here for magazines. There we've got a reading lamp, and under here we've got even more storage in these compartments. So you can see that both sides this will go up. Now here's another thing. Try and get all this in. In fact, I'll come back a bit. There we've got a wardrobe, and beneath the wardrobe this will come out and that will fall down there. So your clothes will fall down here. The advantage of that, of course, is if one of you doesn't really need all this space in the bed, that could come in handy. Over here we find we can turn on the 12 volt using this. I can't do it at the moment because there's no battery in it and it's disconnected. Somebody will say, look, it's connected, the cables are coming into the vehicle from outside. Yes, that is true, but there's no electricity in it. Here we've got the boiler control. That boiler control has been the same more or less for 35 years at least, maybe even longer. Somebody may know. A very attractive looking kitchen with a very chunky tap, although in my opinion not particularly practical in a van of this nature. Still, the van, I mean, looks good. That would look great at home, and this would as well. A can does some really nice stuff. It's for Italian company. More and more vehicles are using it, but it's not always practical. Anyway, in here there we have a toilet, and here is the sink as well, and that plastic thing there to stop the toilet getting wet. And if you're shy, you can always close the door to the toilet, and sensible sliding door. You have got here a mirror so you can see yourself as you're leaving to go out onto the campsite or wherever it is you're staying. And down here we've got a fridge. It opens that way, and if you don't like that, it opens the other way as well. Down here we have got some storage. Ooh, it's a bit tight. This opens up as well. No, it doesn't open up. Take that one. Forget that one. I said it opens as well. It doesn't open as well because that's there. Sorry, my mistake. You got that wrong. Nobody's perfect. And there you are. There's one. There's nothing else that opens up in there. Anyway, and what else have we got? We've got here. Got this rather large forward-facing bench. Table here. 3 sizes. There's a thing here that comes out as well. Here. I'll demonstrate. No, I can't demonstrate the whole thing. I need 2 hands. But this thing here comes out and that slides out. Doesn't make it much bigger. A bit of storage up here as well. A friend of mine bought one of these and he thinks it's great. In fact, he bought it after seeing the video I did here 2 years ago. A bit of storage up there, and brake. This chair will of course turn round. Driver chair will turn round. The brake doesn't get in the way, but it's a bit of a fiddly job learning how to put the brake on, in my opinion. Right, here we've got a kitchen extension. I really appreciate these things here. I think they're great. Takes up next to no space at all. Look at all that, and it's really tough. I can really expand them. I had one. In fact, it came out the wall after I put so much stuff in it. It was the screws didn't hold, but the elastic did. Let's have a look at the back. So here we can get one gas canister, which I shall demonstrate. And right, so if you're cooking, that's okay, but I mean on heat, the heater will last 3 days if you're having full blast with a full gas. That's on full blast. I mean, yeah, it's on full blast. If you're out in that type of temperature, maybe you need a different van. Storage down here, stack of storage there, really, in my opinion. And one can also get. You can get these partitions to put in there. Oh, you can see you've got all through space there for long things. Quite good. Here, outdoor shower. Renault Master. Comes in 5 colours. And there's also a version with a low bed as well. And what I'll do is that, okay, this is 620. I'll show you what it looks like on a shorter. So this is the 550 centimeter long version. And this one here's got the widthwise bed, but as you see, other than that, it's relatively similar. Okay, the kitchen's different. This is it's nowhere near as cool looking, but it's far more practical kitchen. And there is a widthwise bed at the back. So anyway, so that is this Renault Campervan from Ahorn Van 620. Hope you found that of interest. If you did, then you might want to subscribe. Then I upload every day at 21:15, and if you subscribe and press the bell, then you'll know when I'm doing live broadcasts as well. But for the moment, thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.